So stupid. I was just thinking of something funny and stupid. I'm gonna try to make this recording pretty fast. I want to start off by saying that I was in not Sykes, um, Wolf's trader therapy, and it was pretty interesting today. I got in and I started talking, and it was just fun. It was nice. It was nice, man. Just, whew, it was nice. And he just said, keep at it, keep practicing the nuances. Um, yeah, just keep practicing the nuances, and because I asked him questions like, okay, I learned the lower day, I understood purchasing at the lower day, playing the dip and rip. Adam and Jody really helped me out on that at Miami. 2 weeks after practicing, I massively improved. And I'm just trying to figure out the nuances, and I think that's through practicing. And he was like, "Yeah, you answered your own question." And he was like, "Yeah, you just keep practicing it and watch. You're gonna see yourself grow." He's like, "The fact that you quickly adjusted was a miracle," and he's like, "Bro, just keep at it. Watch, you're gonna see. You're gonna go to making it a practice to consistently profitable, and then your life is just gonna change." Then he was just like, I asked him, "How do I get to the next level?" And I'm like, and that is getting to the next level, working on the nuances and practicing. That will take you to the next level. But it was really exciting to see it and be there. Um, I'm really enjoying Wolf's boot camp. It's exactly what I wanted from the beginning of trading. I really wish I would have joined years ago. But to go into my trade today, I simply traded YS. YS, this is faster. YS, I think it was performing something yesterday. I don't remember. But YS was a pretty simple trade. Got in near lows. It broke lower day, and I cut. It was real simple. Let me see what it did the day before. Okay, it spiked towards the end of the day, continued pre-market, and then today it was uptrending. Pre-market it spiked, started pulling back. Yeah, I had this big panic before market open, and I remember when I had this panic, I was thinking of getting in like right here, but Wolf, what I learned from Wolf is this is not enough range. I really wish it was what he was saying to me today was like you're learning the nuances really quickly, so that's telling you already that you're well on your way. So I appreciate him for saying that because now I understand. Okay, I'm getting there. Just keep going in, keep coming to these boot camps, keep learning. So and then it pulled back, but this first pullback I was thinking about getting in. Didn't want to because the range was so small. The range was from 39 cent, 139 to 123. So that's like less than a 20 cent range. So for it to bounce, it's only gonna bounce like less than 20 cents. And if you'll be lucky if it breaks high day, which is 139, and then break pre-market highs and VWAP, it just wasn't worth it. Then it pulled back again, and I was like, okay, this is better range. It just broke lower day here. It just broke a lower day here, and now it's here, and I'm gonna just dip by this. And I bought it, and I got in at like, at first I was accidentally buying the wrong stock. I didn't even realize my order entry was on the wrong stock. But I got in at 120, got out at 118, and tried to get back in it. My order didn't execute. But I got in here, and I'm like, okay, it's not bouncing enough. And I said, okay, I already had entered my stop limit order. So I was like, okay, my stop limit order was at 117. And I'm like, it's not really bouncing. And if it comes back to my risk was, the lower day right here was 118. So I'm like, okay, my risk is at 117, just under. But I'm like, it's not really bouncing. And if it comes back to 118 without even bouncing, then most likely it's gonna break. So I'm like, I moved my risk from 117 to 118 because I'm like, I don't want to deal with it. I'm not gonna take on that bigger risk. And it hit at 118, and I got out for a 126 loss. 126 was more than what I wanted to lose because it was just like, I don't want to lose $126 on a trade that really didn't have much range. But the fact that I'm becoming more disciplined and cutting really, or actually disciplining my entries and then being disciplined to enter a stop limit order and then allow it to cut, and not moving it, says a lot about me, that I'm improving. So after it pulled back and it started consolidating a little bit here, I was wanting to get in, but I was a little bit uncomfortable, and I was tempted but uncomfortable because of this trade right here. So I let it do its thing, and then somewhere around here, I tried to get in. I think it was like right here. I wanted a 115 entry because the lowest point was at 113. I wanted a 2-cent risk instead of a 3-cent risk, which is not much of a difference, but because of the lack of range, I didn't want to increase my risk. And it didn't execute, and I said that's okay, you know. I was kind of upset, but I was like, it's okay because the trade right now is not a hot market. There's not much opportunity, so you know, the range is from here to here, so like I missed this opportunity, which is okay. My risk was 3 cents. Would have been, if I got in at 16, would have been 3 cents to 20 from 128. So that'll be like a little bit over 10 cents. 128. So that'll be 12 cents, which is like a 4 to 1 risk, which was good. But I'm looking for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Wolf, you know, explains like trying to get a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, a 2 to 1 reward, risk reward, or 1 to 2 risk reward, or 1 to 3, or 1 to 4. That's not good enough. It's just not good enough. So I missed this opportunity, and I'm okay with it. The markets are not really performing well, so just keep practicing. Wolf said the markets are not performing well. Just keep practicing, and when it picks up, you're going to be on a run. Practice the nuances, practice the disciplines, practice the little things, and I'll be good. So that's my video.